So I got up this morning, 6:30, as always. It was a beautiful morning, really nice sunrise, got some great photos, and I just went off and went to retrieve the camera. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft. It's day 12 of lockdown, and you know what? Just roll VT. So it's took me 10 days to finally get the images I've been after. And you know what? It was all down to one thing: cocktail sausages. The fact that I put some bait down kept the fox interested, it kept it in shot, and it gave the camera enough time to trigger and just record. And I managed to get about 2 to 3 minutes of footage of the fox just eating what I put down and then sniffing around, and not just where I dropped the cocktail sausages, it went all around that area that I've been trying to film for all this time. But I finally got the images I was after. I was so pleased this morning when I arrived at the site. I noticed the bait had gone and I was like, oh please, please, please. And I got back to the apartment, checked the camera, and there was 10 videos that I had to look through. 2 of them were me, and the rest were just the fox, so I was really, really pleased. So all that persistence has finally paid off. But I'm not stopping there. Now that I've got those images, tonight I'm going to lay the bait again, and I'm going to try and get some close-up images of the fox if possible. And then further down the line, maybe in a couple of nights' time, what I'll do is I'll carry on trying to get the route of the fox and which way it's travelling. So, because even last night, although I got some great footage, I still don't know which way it was going, which way it's come in, which way it's gone out. So I've still got that to find out, so that's going to be in future videos. But tonight we're just going to try and get some close-up images. So using the same techniques, we'll see how it goes. Believe it or not, these are got gooseberry bushes. And it's spreading. That was only a small bush a couple of years ago. Should be a good crop on there. I'm sure you're all familiar with the phrase walls have ears, but what about trees? So I hope you found that of use and you enjoyed that as much as I did. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the icon here or the one down there, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Pleased.